Question number 1. All of the following are neurotransmitter except option A dopamine, B GABA, C serotonin, D troponin. Answer D troponin. Question number 2. Damage to which of the following leads to Guillain-Barré syndrome? Option A brain parenchyma, B peripheral nervous system, C spinal cord, D thyroid glands. Answer B peripheral nervous system. Question number 3. Pathology seen in Alzheimer's disease is atrophy of option A parietal and temporal lobe of brain, B frontal and temporal lobe of brain, C frontal and parietal lobe of brain, D parietal and occipital lobe of brain. Answer A parietal and temporal lobe of brain. Question number 4. Complaints of pain by the elderly patient is to be carefully assessed because older people option A have increased tactile perception, B often experienced chronic pain, C have decreased pain threshold, D have reduced sensory perception. Answer D have reduced sensory perception. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not neurotransmitter? Option A cortisone, B acetylcholine, C epinephrine, D norepinephrine. Answer A cortisone. Question number 6. Which of the following condition is an early symptom of myasthenia gravis? Option A dysphagia, B fatigue improving in evening, C ptosis, D respiratory distress. Answer C ptosis. Question number 7. The nurse is aware that the early indicator of hypoxia in an unconscious patient is option A cyanosis of extremities, B altered respiration, C hypertension, D restlessness. Answer D restlessness. Question number 8. Which of the following function is not likely to be affected by vagus nerve? Option A tongue movement, B peristaltic movement, C pancreatic secretion, D heart rate. Answer A tongue movement. Question number 9. Which of the following is a function of parasympathetic nervous system? Option A contraction of erector pill, B stimulation of sweat gland, B acceleration of heart rate, D constriction of pupil. Answer D constriction of pupil. Question number 10. The nerve fibers which carry impulse from receptors to the central nervous system are known as option A afferent, B efferent, C nodes of Ranvier, D none of above. Answer A afferent. Question number 11. A 23 years old client is admitted with tonic-clonic seizure. The nurse knows that the most common cause of tonic-clonic seizure for this age group is option A stroke, B electrolyte imbalance, C head trauma, D congenital defect in brain. Answer C head trauma. Question number 12. Flapping hand tremors is seen in which of the following condition? Option A uremic syndrome, B chronic renal failure, C hepatic encephalopathy, D all of above. Answer D all of above. Question number 13. Sixth cranial nerve controls option A movement of eyeballs, B taste perception, C closure of epiglottis, D movement of tongue. Answer A movement of eyeballs. Question number 14. Which of the following function is influenced by autonomous nervous system? Option A knee jerk response, B pupillary reflex, C peristalsis of intestine, D blinking of eyes. Answer C peristalsis of intestine. Question number 15. Fever, headache and neutral rigidity are classic symptoms seen in option A Alzheimer's disease, B brain abscess, C meningitis, D Parkinson disease. Answer C meningitis. Question number 16. Parkinson disease is caused by deficiency of which of the following neurotransmitter? Option A acetylcholine, B dopamine, C GABA, D serotonin. Answer B dopamine. Question number 17. An assessment specific to safe administration of IV mannitol is option A vital signs 4th hourly, B weighing daily, C hourly urine output, D level of consciousness 6th hourly. Answer C hourly urine output. Question number 18. Which of the following diagnostic investigation is useful to detect seizure? Option E CT scan, B EEG, C MRI scan, D X-ray. Answer B EEG. Question number 19. Which of the following condition most commonly cause ischemic stroke? Option A AV malformation, B. Cocaine use. C. Head trauma. D. Rupture of aneurysm. Answer B. Cocaine use. Question number 20. Inability to speak or understand the spoken words is known as. Option A. Agnosia. B. Apraxia. C. Insomnia. D. Aphasia. Answer D. Aphasia.